Tired of manually transferring leads between Kvcore and Follow-Up Boss? Let's bridge the gap between Kvcore and Follow-Up Boss and supercharge your lead management. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section. We need to create a custom campaign or modify an existing one that triggers upon new lead creation. This will act as our automation foundation. Next, head over to the lead routing settings here. We'll define the rules for where new leads should go. Make sure the routing is active and configured to capture all relevant lead sources. Now, it's time to utilize the power of Zapier. Log into your Zapier account, or create one if you haven't already. We'll be building a Zap that connects Kvcore and Follow-Up Boss. In Zapier, create a new Zap, and choose Kvcore as the trigger. The trigger should be something like new lead or new person. Follow Zapier's prompts to connect your Kvcore account, granting Zapier the necessary permissions. Next, select Follow-Up Boss as the action app. The action should be create person or add person. Connect your Follow-Up Boss account, ensuring Zapier has access. Now comes the crucial part: mapping the fields. Match the corresponding fields from Kvcore to Follow-Up Boss. For instance, Kvcore's name field should map to Follow-Up Boss's first name and last name fields. Make sure email, phone number, and lead source are accurately mapped. Double check every entry. Once all the fields are correctly mapped, test your Zap. Create a test lead in Kvcore and confirm that it successfully appears in Follow-Up Boss. If everything looks good, turn on your Zap and watch the magic happen.